Running Creek Casino, located along Highway 20 in the small town of Upper Lake, California, has been open since May of 2012 in a 33,000 square foot facility. Inside, guests will find around 350 slot machines and 5 to 6 table games, creating an intimate yet exciting gaming floor. With its scenic location near Clear Lake and its blend of slots, tables, and dining, Running Creek Casino has been a welcoming stop for both locals and travelers exploring Northern California. But it's a big tent. I wonder how big it is inside. Let's find out. Running Creek Casino. Ta-da! Okay. So, Running Creek Casino. The staff here are really nice. Well, if you sign up, you get immediate $10 free play, and if you follow them on Facebook, they'll give you another $5 to $10. So I have a total of $20 free play. Well, this section is all old slots. Well, they got Lightning Link over here. All right. Oh, they got the restaurant, steak restaurant here. Hot Springs Express. Meeting rooms in the corner. Did she give you 20?
Yeah, I followed.
Okay.
I have Facebook.
Okay, so let's walk across the other side. They have table games in the middle. Spooky Link. Do you think this casino is going to be better than the last?
I hope so.
If it isn't, I might make an executive decision not to play at the last one.
I hope so. It's a lot smaller than the last one.
Yeah, it's smaller.
Doesn't mean anything though, does it?
I don't know.
This is really small.
It is very small. I thought it was bigger. I thought the tent was bigger. Well, most casinos usually start off this small, right?
Yeah, they do.
Oh, high limit. Let's walk in the high limit area. Oh, cash machine. Eagle Bucks. Oh, might have to play that.
Want to start off with that one?
Yeah, let's finish walking real quick because I'm doing a tour right now. Yeah. Okay. Look at that. They have a bar in the middle. Got Lion Links. Blue Bucks. Well, that's about it, everybody. It's small. Small and quaint. Okay, well, that's about it. I'm gonna use the restroom. No smoking in here. Smoke free.